Hello, this is Bushcraft. Today I'm going to show you how to successfully make a fire. With Bushcraft you have to first make a shelter to protect yourself, which I've done here, and then prepare your firewood. What I've done is I've got myself some cotton wool buds, got myself plenty of firewood, more cut up out back. Then I've made all my little stuff I've put in a nice, I won't say pile, but organised pile with some Vaseline coated cotton wool to help burn it, with the smaller stuff underneath. And the best way to light a fire is with a flint and steel, otherwise known as fan rod or magnesium rod. So to use one of these, what you got to do, you got to get the steel end, and then you got the magnesium fan end. You just strike it, and it makes a spark. What I find the best to do is normally to light a cotton wool. Just bit them together on the side, and then just strike the cotton wool until you get to burn. Pick it up, bit it into the fire, and just let the fire burn. At this point, you want to constantly be maintaining the fire, making sure you're letting not too much on, letting enough oxygen get in to breathe, and not letting heavy stuff on. The heavier big stuff goes on later. That is your fire. The small stuff is your tinder, the slightly big stuff is your kindling, and the big stuff is your firewood, your fuel. Everything's yours. You need, for oxygen, you need heat, you need oxygen, and you need fuel to get a successful fire. So if you look here, it's all now starting to nicely burn away. Just push the flame more into all the smaller stuff. And just bit some very nice stuff on. Two other fundamental parts of bushcraft is to supply your wood. This is done by scraping with a knife and chopping with an axe or hatchet. Big stuff use a big axe. This is a small little hatchet. Use one of these, you stand back, you hit the wood, and then it just chops it in half. That you can use for your firewood, but when you want to start a fire, you want to make smaller stuff. This you can use a little knife for, by just slowly scraping, and you just make a load of little scrapings, and then that is what you can start your fire with. Now I've got my fire going, I'm going to talk about the main part of bushcraft, which is leaving no trace. As you can tell, I've dug a hole and I've placed a plank of wood into it. The wood is so the fire don't create as much ash as it needs to, and it will just burn the wood slowly, so there's no ash and no heat going into the ground, which can cause another fire once you got it. After you're done with the fire, what you should do is you should now go and fill the hole back in and make it look like you've not been there at all, leaving no ash laying around the place, wood shavings, piles of wood. Just make it look natural, and the only thing you want to leave are your footsteps. Make sure you don't leave any shelter stuff around either.